I hope you guys enjoyed. God damn. Hope you guys enjoyed staying with me, and I've really enjoyed my time too, sweetie. Well, shit. Hey, RuleeDollz, it's your girl Rika here. Today, my darlings, we're back here in our video. Oh my god, if you don't subscribe, so here we go. Thank you so much, it's greatly appreciated. I love you. First of seeing your girl, seeing my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed in the content I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado, guys, today, we are here with the orgy collection from Mr. Jeffree Star. Let's get into it. Okay, sweeties, Mr. Jeffree Star came out with the orgy palette, bam, and he also came out with the mini orgy, sweetie, and we are about to get into it. First of all, this is what the orgy palette looks like. Let me open her up, sweetie. Absolutely stunning. I dipped my finger in here. Oh my god, when I opened it earlier on, I dipped my whole ass finger in there. Let me take off the... Ooh, that was loud as hell. You get a beautiful big mirror as per usual, and you get all these absolutely stunning shades. And then he came out with the mini orgy, which is all shimmers, so they basically complement each other. So you got all the shimmers in here and you got all the mattes in the main baby. Let's now show you what they look like close up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? And there you have it. So sorry that mine's a little messed up. It's because, as I said earlier on, when I was opening it, I was being a little bit careless, a little bit reckless, sweetie, and my fingers got into the palette. And I'm devastated, to be honest with you. So we're gonna jump right into dipping into what look we can create. I'm about to get into this makeup look. Right, when I look at the orgy palette, it's gorgeous. I can't even sit here and lie. This is like a nude fantasy. I know a lot of people just like, the top row is just white, but when you have it in person, because you know my beauty lights are very loud, as you can tell every time I show you guys anything up close, it's just a bright light that you see. The reason for that is because the lighting is really crappy in my house, and I need the beauty lights predominantly to be really high so that you guys can actually see me, sweetie. Unfortunately, it's not good for close-up. That's why sometimes I just use my phone and I record, because doing all of this, oh, so look at this, when the product has like reflective whites in it, like color like this is a very light color, and these are light shades. So they literally, right now as I'm looking at the camera, they all look white, they all look the same shade, but they are not. It's not even like a subtle difference, they're literally just different. You can see with your own naked eye that all these shades are different. And yeah, what can I say? Obviously we're loving all of the dark shades, but I do like the cream shades as well, and the white shades are there because they need to be there. Literally, they're so good to buff out any other color. Let's just say you don't just walk around with white. A lot of people don't walk around with white eyeshadow on their eyes, but they're so good for transitioning. They're so good to buff it out. And trust me, sweetie, this is a nude palette. Like when you look at a nude palette, this is what it should look like. It should have black in it, it should have all types of shades of brown in it, it should have creams in it, it should have beiges in it, and it should have some whites in it as well. And it does have that, and I'm here for it. I generally want to go into Craven Chocolate, yum, and Invitation Only is looking sickening, but I really might want to do like Orgy. Orgy is such a dark, crusty, like, you know, that dark burnt brown. It really is that. Ooh, let's dip into Invitation Only, which is this beautiful brown color, and you really didn't even need to dip that much. It really came on like a dream. Absolutely loving that. Let's get Invitation Only on my eyelid. She ain't playing no games, sweetie. She said, I'm here to give you pigment, Miss Mama. So I'm literally just gonna buff it out. You really don't need that much for that payoff, sweetie. I'm so glad this came out when it did. I'm really into that whole nude makeup stuff now. I never used to be, because I just love color so much, but I love the way that nudes make me look in general, you know what I mean? Like nudes just transforms your face, like a nude lip, just your base makeup. Sometimes you could just do the one brown color on the eyes, sweetie, with some lashes, honey, and it just looks so good. That is literally everyday makeup right there. So I'm really getting into like wearing makeup more, because I'm trying to be an influencer, sweeties. I'm trying to like just do my little thing, you know what I'm saying? I've just had to push myself to wear a lot more makeup than I usually would. I was thinking, what can you wear every day? And you can wear nudes every day, sweetie. You can wear colors every day, obviously, but for me, I do still need practice on skin makeup, like the makeup that is just minimalistic and just sexy, you know? I'm really trying to branch into that. But this shade, Invitation Only, is sickening. I love it. Let's go into the other eye. I'll cut this bit because why would you need to see what you just seen, sweetie? Like any of these whites or whites and creams, should I say? I should say cream because none of them are really white. I'm Shy looks kind of white. To me, with my eyes, it doesn't look pure white. Like, you know, like drug lord white. It doesn't look like that. It looks like it's got like a cute little off-white moment. If you didn't like how dark any of this is, let's say I didn't want this type of payoff, you can literally use I'm Shy or Vanilla Latex, Implant, Teach Me, Silk Robe, or Seduction to lighten those shades. You can even use Vulgarism as well. I'm going to take I'm Shy, and she literally came on like a dream. I'm feeling that fantasy, and I'm just going to take it and lightly buff the edges for any harsh lines. Oh, she's a beautiful, beautiful transition color for me because I'm of darker skin tone. The way that it's like lightening up, Invitation Only. Yes, sweetie, I'm Shy is really that girl, and she just made it a lot softer, and I'm feeling that. Now I want to darken up this look. I want to have real dark eyes, sweetie, and I'm gonna go into Orgy. Orgy is calling my name. It's been calling my name for like ever, and there's Orgy. Stunning. Ooh, Orgy is so dark. It's almost black, you know, and I'm just literally going to deepen up the corners. Puffed out so well. Then I'm gonna go into Money Shot, which is a beautiful brown, and I'm just going to go over here a little. I'm gonna go and cut my crease, and I'll be right back. Now that's done, we're going to move on to the mini orgy, and this is just beautiful. So many beautiful shimmer shades. I cannot wait to get into it. So the first thing that's calling my name would be Frozen Fire. I love this color here. It's absolutely stunning. We're gonna go into Soaking Sun, and then we're gonna go into Frozen Fire, and I feel like we're gonna go into a little bit of Glass Wet. Let's get into it. So the first one I'm gonna dip into is Soaking Sun. Wow, came on like a dream, guys. I love that. Let's go. Ooh, honey, I love that. It really said fire. Oh, this gold is absolutely stunning. Ooh. Then we're gonna go in Frozen Fire. Again, came on like a dream. Absolutely loving them. Oh, this color is iridescent and gorgeous. Whoa, it has like a color shift. It looks so burgundy in the pan, but when you put it on, you get to really see that fiery two-tone glistening effect. I'm so here for it, guys. Absolutely stunning. This color is, I've never seen a color like this before. It's kind of like a chameleon kind of effect. Whoa. It's everything. Then I'm going to go into Glass Wet to set the cut crease. So I'm going to go from the front all the way into Frozen Ice. This is Glass Wet. Ooh. Oh my god. Glass Wet. Ooh. absolutely stunning. I'm absolutely in love, guys. I only just quickly put on my foundation before I started this video because I did snag one of the new luminous setting powders in honey. I wanted to set my face with this, so I haven't done anything else. That's why I look flat, sweetie, and I look shiny, because I haven't mattified myself, because I really want to try out this new product. So I'm going to get some glitter and just line the top of my cut crease, because that is what I do. Yes, let's get into it. Now that's done, we are going to be dipping into this luminous powder. So I've already done my concealer, which was the Magic Star concealer. This is the same component, but they look so cute. If you don't know what the old component looks like, this is banana. I use this every single time I do my makeup, and this is now honey, sweetie. So she is literally got the nude moment going on, and this was a beautiful pink fantasy, because you know Jeffree Star loves that. This is the pink fantasy that we love and know him for, and then this is the nude moment, and apparently this is luminous. Let's get illuminating. I am so excited. If you didn't know what these smell like candy floss. Let's see if this smells like candy floss, or maybe he's changed it up. Maybe it smells like chocolate, who knows. Let's see. So you just basically twist around the component, and it has a sticker when you first get it. Oh, this is beautiful. So beautiful fine powder. We are now going to test this out. On the side it says a beauty tip: press lightly onto skin wherever you desire. I love using a damp beauty sponge to press the product into the skin so the powder melts and looks airbrushed. I'm just gonna take my Morphe spray, damp my beauty blender just lightly, and then we're going to get the dip in, sweetie. Ooh, picked up really well, and we're gonna see how illuminating it truly is. Ooh, sweetie, it looks gorgeous. It really does have this illuminating sheen to it, which is gorgeous. Now that's done, oh my god, this, if you buy it, go very light, because I was glowing. You saw the transformation. It was going so shiny, it looked white. This is definitely either just underneath your normal baking routine or mix it. Definitely would mix this with your baking routine, or just use a tiny piece around the eye, because this really, this is something else. Like, this will have you glowing. Like, I really want to see what this would be like if you put it right underneath your foundation. I really want to see what it will look like, because it's got such a iridescent, beautiful shimmer to it. It was crazy. I was using this like it was just normal baking powder, and it's not. It's definitely illuminating. I'm here for it. I just had to fix a lot of things because your girl is heavy-handed. Yeah, I'm impressed. I will be using this again and again and again. We're gonna dip back into the orgy palette, and we're just gonna go underneath the eyes, sweetie, and finish off this look. So to finish off this look, I want to go really light. So I'm gonna go back into Craven Chocolate just to smoke out the under eyes. Something pretty and subtle. Then, just to make it a little bit more dramatic, I'm gonna go in with Gagging, and then I'm just going to line that on top of Craven Chocolate. She's so pretty. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my eye look off camera, and then we're gonna get into these lips, sweetie. Now that the eyes are finished, sweetie, we are now gonna go in with the Gerard's Cosmetic lip pen. I've got something new here from Peaches and Cream. It's a beautiful brown lip gloss, so we're gonna use the lip pen and the lip gloss to get these lips in check. Oh my god, that combo is sickening, sweetie. Oh my god, the eyes are absolutely gorgeous in my opinion, and the lips are absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go and put on a wig, sweetie, because what do we always say here? This look needs a wig, sweetie. And I'm gonna come back with my review. And here is the look, guys. Oh my god, I had so much fun doing this orgy. Sweetie. Had so much fun during this orgy, darling. And yes, what can I say? The collection is absolutely sickening. Let's get into the prices. If you're in the UK, this will set you back £52 for 30 shades. That's actually a very good price point for 30 shades, considering some people sell 18 shades for £120. For all of this yumminess, I think that's a a really good price point. If you're in makeup, you would know that as well, that for 30 shades you're really getting a steal. Really, I think for £52, I think that's a very good price point. You're getting 30 shades of absolutely yumminess, and the pan sizes are really big. This will last you. It's literally a nude queen's dream. If that is your preference, like wedding makeup and stuff like that, this is actually the palette for you. If you are in the US of A, this will set you back $62. Again, I agree with the price point because you're getting 30 shades and they are big size pans, plus they're buttery, and the pigment is absolutely stunning, and it's there, sweetie. It's actually there. Moving on to the mini orgy, which is all beautiful shimmer shade. If you are in the UK, this will set you back £27, which is absolutely gorgeous. You're getting these really big pans. If you're someone that loves shimmer shades and love big pans, this is the palette for you as well. I believe it complements Orgy, the big baby, really well. Not only that, this complements any other eyeshadow palette that you like. It has a white, it has golds, it has fiery reds, it has browns. It's really versatile, and I absolutely love that. If you are in the US of A, this will set you back $28, so it's $1 up from the UK, and I just feel like it's absolutely gorgeous. The packaging is stunning, and the shimmer shades are absolutely buttery and creamy. And for the new Magic Star Luminous Powder, this is absolutely stunning. A little goes a long way. Don't be like Ruriko and ruin your look and have to reapply and reapply until I got it where I wanted it, because girl, it is really luminous. It's absolutely stunning. I really want to see how it performs underneath some foundation. I really want to play around with it and see what kind of airbrush looks I can get. If you are in the US of A, this will set you back $22, and if you are in the UK, this will set you back £21. It's absolutely stunning. I think the price point is it's okay. You get a lot of product in here at the end of the day. If you wanted something a little bit more luminous, gives you that brightening underneath your eye, this is the product for you. Is it worth it? That is down to you to decide. I personally am very happy with my purchase because I haven't been able to get Dragon Beauty's illuminating face powders. It's too expensive to get over here, in my opinion. If I'm spending $30 on a product, why should I then spend $30 to get it into the country? And then on top of that, I have to pay extra because the company doesn't do VAT, just like Jeffree Star Cosmetics doesn't do VAT. Before I even get the product, I have to pay like 12 or maybe £15 on top of the product, on top of the postage, and it just wasn't worth it for me. So I'm really happy that there is another product kind of similar to it that I can get to brighten underneath my eyes, really draw attention to that area, that point in my face. So I'm really excited about this and excited what I can do with it. So for me, it was a worth it purchase. I really am excited about this. Does the Jeffree Star Orgy collection go into Ruriko's bag of tricks? And yes, really, I have to say it really does. I love Jeffree Star's formulas. At the end of the day, makeup is makeup, and I am here. I'm a lover of makeup. I buy so much makeup, and I have to say there is no one out there that does the mattes that he does the creaminess that he does. At the end of the day, everyone's palette that I've tested out, to me, I love them for the pigment or different things. The feel of Jeffree Star Cosmetics on your eyes, the way that it buffs out, and it's so easy to use. I think that's what it is as well. Jeffree Star is not hard. There's less harsh lines because it just literally melts into the skin. That's what I find with me anyway. I know other people might have more of a drier lid. They might need to do some things, or etc. So it's not always going to perform the same way with everybody. But for me, that's why I buy Jeffree Star Cosmetics. That is always going to be the reason why I buy it, regardless if he notices me or not notices me, if he knows that I exist or not exist. I am a lover of the product, lover of the makeup. I will still be reviewing Jeffree Star Cosmetics on this channel. I also will be still using my products because I spent money on that girl. I'm not on PR, and I spent thousands of pounds on all of my makeup. And just because somebody is either cancelled in other people's eyes or whatever, I'm still going to use my makeup. I'm not going to shy away from my makeup because when I bought it, it was coming from a good place, and makeup has no consciousness. Makeup cannot be racist. Makeup cannot be naughty. Makeup cannot hurt your feelings. It's just makeup at the end of the day. And if I'm an influencer, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy makeup because that's what I want to do, and that's what I want to show on my channel. Don't worry about that. For the people that's come here and always wanted to know about my Jeffree Star products, about obviously my reviews, that's not changing, sweetie. So just look out for whenever he brings out anything else, just know it'll be on my channel too if I mess with it. That's if I like it. But I do have cremated. I haven't been able to review it yet, but it is coming soon to my channel. So if you wanted to know how this performed on me, stay tuned for that. I've really enjoyed my time, sweeties. I hope you guys enjoyed this little time with me, and I hope you guys love this this look. I absolutely enjoyed myself. I'm really stunned that I liked orgy. As I just said, I only just got into going into the nude realm. I am presently surprised. It's just simple, it's beautiful, it's simple. I'm ready to go out, sweetie. I'm ready to go out, ready to shake my thing, you know what I mean? I love this look. I really enjoyed my time with you guys, sweetie. I hope you guys liked the orgy review, because I really enjoy sitting down here and reviewing all these products for you. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on a new one. So it's been your girl I Ruriko Yamazaki here. That's all your love that anybody needs. My dad and I'll catch you. Yes, you, the one that came to the end of the video, my sweetie, my honey, my sweetie, my honey, my everything. I'll catch you, my sweetie, on another video. Yeah.